what are the capabilities of the different rotors? So the rotors that you have are either going to be the Maxi 44, our high throughput medium pressure rotor shown here, or our SK15, which is our high pressure medium throughput rotor. So for those of you who have the Maxi 44, that's going to be more of your rotor for routine type samples, samples that are really not too difficult to digest. As far as applications, it'll work anything that's in the environmental. For example, the EPA 3015, 3051, 3052. Also for food and agriculture samples as well, you can use it. And for cannabis, if you're working at some lower masses, say around 1/4 gram to 1/2 gram maximum, but typically like to keep that on the lower side. The SK15 is really going to be your go-to rotor to digest pretty much anything that you put in it. So, for example, whatever you can do on the Maxi, you can do on the SK. So the SK maximum sample mass is going to depend, it's going to be for reactive organics, maybe around 0.4, 0.5 grams. If you get up to 1 gram, those are going to be samples that are easier to digest. So just make sure that whenever you're selecting your proper method, you're using the appropriate mass. And if you ever have a question at all, please reach into us. We can give you some guidance on the appropriate acid chemistry or sample masses if you have, say, a new application that you've never worked with before on your current rotor. So we can help you adapt the method to help you analyze that on your instrument as best as can. So we also have a nice resource called the ETHOS Rotor Guide. You may or may not have seen this before. The Rotor Guide gives very good guidance and a description on the different applications you can use for each rotor, as you see right over here. Also, we have suggested sample masses, maximum masses. So this is a very good resource if you want to have an idea of what you can do in your rotor. And again, any questions, feel free to reach into us at the Miles Care team here. We're happy to help you.